Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about, a new cryptocurrency that we haven't really covered on this channel before, but since we do cover all trending cryptocurrencies, we will be covering this, and this is called Holochain, Hot, Holo, has many names. So if this is your first time here, consider liking and subscribing with post notifications turned on, as you can leave a comment below at the end of the video, that is after you would have gathered some information in regards to this coin, etc. So at this time now, I'll have Ryan read you out what exactly is Holochain, so you get a kind of understanding about Holochain. So Ryan, go ahead.
Holochain price analysis. I am pretty sure you have come here because you have seen more than 35% growth recently in the price of this Holochain coin. All this Holochain, Holo and Hot is one and the same, don't get confused. So, let us first discuss about this Hot coin, what is it and when and why it was introduced to the cryptocurrency world. Later we will talk about Holo coin price prediction for next upcoming 5 to 10 years approximate. I always like those coins whose initial price is extremely low, like this Holo coin, as there are more chances of bigger fluctuation, which are normally very low but can give us huge gain out of investment. If we compare cryptocurrencies like Holo with low prices with altcoins like BTC and Ether, then there is high probability of getting huge profit. At the same time, you can lose lot of money in short period of time. Investing in cryptocurrencies should not be done blindly. You should always have guidance of financial experts, as well as you should do your own research before making any financial investment plan in cryptocurrencies. So now in next paragraphs let us discuss some prediction for coming 5 to 10 years.
Ryan, go ahead.
What is Holochain, Hot? Basically, Holochain is decentralized platform which helps you to have self-control so that you can develop your own apps and make transactions without any centralized governance. What Holochain says is it is an agent-centric system with benefit of scalability, as you have control over data and your identity. So Holo is a complete package for developers who want to develop, build and test your own Holochain peer-to-peer applications. What just you want is knowledge of JavaScript, CSS and HTML. Let's go ahead with the history of Holo coin. Initial community offering, ICO, ended exact 2 years in April 2018. At that time 75% of total supply of Holo coin, that is 177 billion HOTs, were introduced in market with price of $0.00015 USD. If we compare this value with today's one in the month of May 2020, then it is almost 4 times. That means ROI after 2 years for this Hot coin is 400%. So, if you could have purchased Hot of $100 in 2018 April, then current value could be around $370 to $380 USD.
As well as right now, I'll have him read out the price live data for the last 24 hours.
Hot price live data. The live Holo price today is $0.012657 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 243,040,725 US dollars. Holo is down 0.95% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 69, with a live market cap of $2,141,077,528 USD. It has a circulating supply of 169,164,199,065 hot coins, and the maximum supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Holo, the top exchanges for trading in Holo are currently Binance, HitBTC, MXC.com, Gate.io, and Bitrue.
Great guys, so as promised, I will now have you have the predictions as well as the frequently asked questions about Holochain, Holocoin, Hot, read out. Holo price prediction. Should I invest in Holo cryptocurrency? Should I buy Hot today? According to our forecast system, Hot is an awesome long-term 1-year investment. Hot can be profitable. Hot can be a profitable investment option. Holo price is equal to 0.0126 USD as of today. If you buy Holo for $100 today, you will get a total of 7,933.612 hot coins. Based on our forecast, a long time increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026, the 5th month, the 9th date is $0.0768 within a 5-year investment. The revenue expected is to be approximately around 509.52%. Your current 100 investment may be up to $609.52 in 2026. Now, what is Holo's price today? The current price for Holo is 0.0126. Will Holo price go up / rise up? Yes, Holo price can go up from 0.126 USD to 0.269 USD. Is it profitable to invest in Holo? Yes. The long-term earning potential is 113% and 113.77% in 1 year. Will Holo price fall / drop? No, we don't see Holo price falling or dropping anytime soon. What will Holo be worth in 5 years? The Holo price in 5 years is approximately estimated or predicted to be 0.768. Will Holo price replace / surpass / overtake Bitcoin? We don't see this happening in the near future. Will Holo crash? According to our analysis, this will not happen. Will Holo hit $1 USD in a year? We don't see that happening anytime soon, at least not within a year. Will Holo hit 5 USD in a year? No, we don't see that in a year. Will it hit 10 USD in a year? We don't see that in a year. But as we say, our predictions, it would tend to change as we continue to watch the trend, as well as we continue to watch the progress of the coin. So guys, if you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section below, as we do go through every comment and read every comment, as well as in the description we'll have a link to a place called Trezor Hardware Wallet, whereby you can store your cryptocurrencies or your coins in a safe place. So if you want a safe place to store your coins, consider checking out the link in the description, as well as, yes, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel with post notifications turned on, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Keep cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.